So this part now the end part of this video. Of the video of safari suit with the suit. So now my neck with this I don't join the side, then the neck self need to measure am before we do anything. So this neck now give me 17.5, 17 and a half, something like that. So after I measure your neck finish, this collar wey I wan cut now na just normal way wey you dey cut your collar. Shey you understand me? So na just normal way wey you dey cut your collar, then cut am any pattern you wan use am cut, no mean anything. So my own collar neck now wey I wan do now, the mouth go kiss yourself. Shey you understand? So just use your pattern wey you dey use for your normal shirt collar. So I no go need to explain this one wey I dey do here because I get the video wey I don do the video how to cut collar. So it's almost the same thing. And if you get another pattern wey you take dey cut your collar for shirt, you fit use am. So if using a bishop neck you wan use, if you still use bishop neck, but this one na shirt neck. Na im dey there according to wetin you dey see for the picture when we first start. So I go just leave this one making play, then I go fix the collar, then I'll come back to explain how to fix the sleeve. Because na that place go I need to explain because most of people no go know how to fix the sleeve. So I need to come back to explain how to fix the zip. So just watch the way I just fix the collar, so just your normal collar. So I will see you when I come back. So I don't already finish my collar now. So see where the collar dey, see I just need to wear am so that I go see how the collar be for the neck. You see say this one will be shirt. Now as of how used to tonight be this one. So the next part we will do here now to fix our sleeve. So this our sleeve now, see where they open, you need to open that part. Then the other side you need to open that too. I don't already open now, I don't iron now. So the next thing we want to do now, the opening we won't give them that open that flap side dey for this for shirt sleeve for the hand part. Now you go wan open now. So we go open now for this small side. So now I want to measure one now. So if I measure one finish, then I go open now. Once you don't open now, it is the method wey dey use for shirt, long sleeve shirt. Now you go see use. So wetin I just measure from that part, I just measure by 3 inches. Then after I measure the 3 inches finish, then open am the length wey you want. But I will advise me open am like 3.5 or 4 inches. So the same thing what I do for that part, I will do am for this place. Because this part now go dey back. Sure you understand? Just like the way you sew your normal shirt and you understand. So this thing will get curve. So wetin I go do now is I go my machine. So after you don't fix the curve and the flap finish, I don't fix the flap. I don't join the sleeve, the iron arm. See, I'm now they show you. After I do it, after I don't finish, the next thing what I go do here now to just fix the curve. No forget this curve what I dey fix here now, the curve wey I want use. So this curve now na just 9 inches or 9 inches because it depend on the curve wey you want use. So before you start, make sure you say give am small dart for that part. Then the second side, the many darts wey dey use part will get that. You must put your 2 darts. Normal the way you dey sew your shirt. So no worry, if you don't finish, you go see am. The reason why I dey fast this part so that I know say most of you go know how you go take fix the curve. So I no need to dey explain more about this part because most tailor know how to fix the shirt curve. So you understand better wetin I dey do here. So no be something new. For people wey never know, single video I don't do before. You go see where I explain how to do the curve. So you get to you feel understand better there. So after we don't fix our curve, the next thing na to fix the sleeve. So now where the sleeve, now where we go explain more about this because you know just fix the sleeve anyhow like a native like a normal shirt and sleeve. This one is a pattern of a suit sleeve. So waiting there now they measure the armhole. You need to get the measurement ready for the armhole. After you get your measurement finish, anything you give us, you need to measure you need to measure this part too. So make sure say anything you go measure here, it must wider than the body. So you understand because this one will get small rumple like the dart for the shoulder part. So you understand me? And so suit the day. So what you go do now, you go get the middle point. There will notch am. So after we notch am finish, from that middle point, you go measure like 3 inches. Go that side, then you go notch that part. So that place where they notch now, that place that were that go dey. So that is a 6 inches. Now you give you see what I just do. So wetin I will just do, I will just put my machine for gathers, then try sew that edge. We sew the edge. So after we sew the edge finish, so we need to squeeze am now. You know, we go drag one rope out of the two rope. So you go drag am. You drag the rope, you go make sure say drag am well. If you don't drag am well, give am small rumple for that side. So after you don't give am small rumple, you go need to check the measurement again. Either you don't size our armor. You see what I dey do. Just give am small dart for making no passing between that 6 inches wey we notch. That is 3 for this side and 3 for the other side. And that place we just need down. You know, no need to pass anywhere. And don't allow the dart too much because the reason why this one just there cool because the allowance for this sleeve not too much because we measure everything. So the allowance we will leave them are just 2 inches. So that's why the thing just not give us too much stress. So I dey try measure am again. So that it will not dey normal with the body now. So if that's this one on the okay. Then we do the other side too. Same thing, the same pattern we do this one now, we do this one too. So the next thing na to just fix our sleeve. So this sleeve now, most tailor go know wetin they go do now. You know say the opening part na back go fall put, while the normal side go fall for front. So this place where I dey notch now, if you watch the first video or second video, you go see, or the first video, you go see where I mark this place, you go notch am. So I don notch am already. So this place wey give us that getor, this getor wey dey see here, the see where the way I take place my sleeve, na so you go take do am. So if you wan use this pattern, you fit use am. If you get another pattern wey dey use fix your sleeve, go ahead. So you see wetin I do? I start from that getor, from that sleeve, then that place where I notch, I place am there, then I begin dey sew. This I just dey sew here, no pass 0.4 or 0.5. Make sure say you sew this part very well, because no allow this that shoulder part. So you know say the sleeve will give am small dart. So that dart will give am now, you go know how you go take do am, so that the dart no go show for front. You need to be careful. If you don't try this thing before, if you no work, try am again, you work out, no worry. If you dey practice am, you get am one day. So as this now, as it be now, you don't sew that part. So we need to turn am the other side and sew, because if you no turn am, you no go give us if you allow us do am well like that, if you just keep am, say na one just sew am straight. So that's why I just comot am then and turn am to the other side. So the way I dey fix this one, in case you no see this one well, check the second one, you go see. Now you no pass like that. That's why I dey fix my suit sleeve. So they say nothing you go put there, na so you go dey. So after we do that one finish, you see say the thing dey normal, you will do the second one like that too. So wetin I just do here, na I just carry my material, fold am like triangle way, like say wan do neck taping. You go dey give it stretching. You go stay down, you go fold am into two. Then wetin you go just do, you go sew am inside of the sleeve. Na wetin you go do be that, so that to make that place just give you small puff, then thick. Shey you understand? So na wetin you go apply there. So na wetin I just dey try to do. Just carry the material, fold am on the triangular side, then try to cut am out, then fix it, then join am with the sleeve, so that you go make that place dey thick. And because you no dey put shoulder pad, and even though shoulder pad one day, you go still put this thing. So just put down to make everywhere just dey okay. Don't forget this one no get lining. So as you no get lining, everything we dey do go show. So you need to use good material, no go just use anyhow color. So you dey see wetin I dey do, no worry. I don finish am, I go show you the finishing part. You already see the finishing part, so I just dey tell you again. So at this point now, I don already fix the sleeve, the second sleeve sef. I don fix am. So I need to use my iron to get the sleeve done. So now wetin I dey do here. So if you no know say you no get this video well, make sure say you watch or drop your comment. So if you have any questions, so if you drop am. If you have something wey I fit explain, I go explain am for comment section. So now the finishing part with this, show you this thing. I don already show you the where I put the bottle hole and then the button where I wear am for the first video. So now be this. As it take be now, na so it be for the video. So make sure say you follow am step by step. If you no get am, you watch the video. Thank you.